You could see delays on the TTC potentially next month. The company says a potential shortage could be happening as the company rolls out its vaccination policy, which is taking place in November. So how will this affect riders? The company says they are working out those details right now.
As we get closer and closer to November 21st, which is when we start suspending people without pay who are unvaccinated, we are seeing and we will see those numbers continue to rise. Really, the objective here is just good public health. We want our employees to be vaccinated so they are protected, so their families are protected, their coworkers, the communities that we serve are all protected. And we hope that that's going to be the case, and we'll see those numbers go up by November 21st.
Now, today, the TTC released further details about its temporary November and December service plans. The new schedules, which were posted today, takes into account employees who will be ineligible to work due to being unvaccinated or for not disclosing vaccination status. TTC officials say while planning, they prioritize the busiest routes and times. Those include already crowded routes such as Wilson, Jane, Eglinton, Finch, and Lawrence East. They tell me these routes should not be impacted. Right now, 88% of the agency's 15,000 employees have shared their COVID-19 vaccination status, and they expect that number will rise in the coming weeks. Now, the union representing the transit workers says in a statement, in part, the TTC opted to bulldoze their mandatory disclosure policy through, causing a potential staff shortage. Instead of cutting service, the TTC should look at sensible alternatives that help protect workers and riders, such as regular testing for the small number of members who wish to not receive a vaccine. Now, extra workers will also be called in, including some retired drivers, just in case there is a shortage for the month of November and December. They're also saying that employees who have not been vaccinated or have not disclosed their vaccination status do have until November 20th to do so. Otherwise, they'll be put on an unpaid leave.